Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to carry out band combination in ArcGIS Pro. Right, good. Now, in the context of remote sensing and satellite imagery and maybe GIS, band combination refers to the process of combining multiple spectral bands from a satellite sensor into a single image. Right, good. Now, each of the spectral bands captures electromagnetic radiation at specific wavelengths, and combining bands can enhance visualization and interpretation of the imagery. So these are some of the common reasons why we carry out band combination: enhanced visualization, feature discrimination. Now let me emphasize on this. By combining specific bands, you can highlight certain features or materials that may not be easily distinguishable in individual bands. So that's why we have maybe water bodies being identified, or maybe built up areas of vegetation, healthy vegetations, and the rest of that, right? But now, information extraction, by the time you are able to identify or maybe highlight certain features, you are also extracting what information, right? Now, we also have the atmospheric correction. Now, there are some common band combinations. Now, the product we are going to use is actually what a Landsat 8 product, right? Now, it has 11 bands, but we are going to work with 7 of those 11 bands because the resolution of the other bands are not in conformity with those of bands 1 to 7. Right now we have about 30 by 30. So let's look at common band combination. We have the true color, which combines the red, green, and blue bands to create an image that resembles what human eyes can see. We are going to see that very soon. We also have the false color, the vegetation indices, the geological mapping. Now combine specific bands to enhance the visibility of geological features like rock formations or mineral deposits, right? Good. You can also see maybe some faults and all of that in geology. Now we also have what the urban mapping. Now for Landsat 8 imagery, band combinations are particularly useful for visual interpretation and analysis. Good. As we said earlier, Landsat 8 has 11 spectral bands covering a wide range of electromagnetic spectrum from visible light to thermal infrared, right? Good. Now, these are some common combinations. We have the true color, which combines band 4, 3, and 2. We have the false color, which combines 5, 4, and 3. Then we also have this short-term infrared, which combines 7, 6, 4. So we are going to apply these combinations very soon on ArcGIS. Now, these are just few examples of combinations of Landsat 8 imagery. The choice of combination depends on the specific objective of your analysis and the feature you want to highlight or extract from your imagery, right? So if you want to see water bodies, healthy vegetations, maybe rock formations and all of that, your band combinations cannot be the same, right? But now, this is like a summary for the natural color, agriculture, bathymetry, healthy vegetation, and the vegetation analysis, right? But now, band combinations are a powerful tool in remote sensing analysis, allowing researchers and analysts to extract valuable information from satellite imagery for various applications, including environmental monitoring, land use planning, agriculture, and disaster response. So much of the theory. Let's now get back to ArcGIS Pro. Now we are going to add our data, right? Good. So we come down to add data. Good. So we have navigated to where the data is. We have bands combination, we have data, right? Good. Now you can see we just have the 7 bands we need, and then this is the MTL file that gives you information about what the product that you have downloaded, right? Good. So trying to select multiple to add what the 7 raster data set, right? Good. We have successfully imported our data, which are what the different bands of our imagery that we downloaded, right? Good. So if you're trying to do it for the first time, you're going to see something like raster statistics, right? Good. So just click on yes, so that the statistics can be calculated, right? Now we have our different bands. If we try to expand this view, we are going to see bands 1 to 7, right? Good. So in order for us to start the band combination, we are going to select all of these bands that we have here. Good. And then we click on imagery, right? Good. Now under imagery, we come down to process, we use the drop down, and then we select composite, right? Good. Now it combines multiple data sets into one multi-band raster. Good. Now we have a combination. If we compare it to the imagery we imported earlier, which was in black and white, we can see that there is actually what a visible difference between the composite and what the single band, right? Because the composite is now a combination of what different bands. So for us to have control over this combinations, we can now either right click on the composite and select symbology, or we just click on the raster layer. I haven't selected what this composite layer, and then we click on the raster layer to see what the symbology are, right? Good. So now under the symbology, we can see that bands 1, 2, 3 were combined, and then from our notes here, we have a summary of combinations for the Landsat 8 images for the natural color, agriculture, bathymetry, vegetation, LD vegetation, and then the vegetation analysis. Now let's start with agriculture, which is what 652, right? Good. So we come back here, and then for red we make it 6, for green we make it 5, and then for blue we make it 2, right? Good. Now similarly, we can also go for the natural color combination, which is 432, right? Good. So we still come up here, we make this 4, make this 3, and then this is 2, right? Good. So you can also play around this band combination tool here, where you have the natural color, the color infrared, or the custom, where you want to customize it to maybe if you want to choose the band combinations to use, right? Good. To display your multiple band raster layer, right? Good. So thanks for coming to class. We hope we have shown you how to import raster data by importing the Landsat 8 images to ArcGIS Pro. We have also shown you how to have a composite, and then we finally showed you how to change what the, or how to get what different band combinations based on what the feature you want to extract, or maybe the information you want to what, extract, as we have seen earlier, right? Good. As some of the reasons why we carry out good the feature discrimination, or maybe the information you want to extract, right? Good. Are some of the reasons why we carry out band combination. So you can explore and then exploit some other features on how best to use this tool on ArcGIS Pro. We are going to see you on the next tutorial. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.